So here's how to do an exponent in Google Sheets. If we want to use just very plain formatting, we can use the asterisk as a multiplier. So this is just 2 times 2 times 2. This is 2 to the third. But we could also do this upper chevron. We can do equals 2 upper chevron 3. That's 2 to the third. And then also we have the power formula. So we can do equals power. And here we have a base and a comma and an exponent. This is much more interesting because we can easily just change this to 4 or 10. Whereas if we needed to change this, we would have to do 2 times 2 times. And this is very difficult to do, right? Keep going, right? This power formula is really, really powerful. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.